everyone out there, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about living in Japan, traveling, and now finance. So this video, I want to get straight to the point. I'm going to just show a quick walkthrough of how to start a TD Ameritrade account so you can start investing in ETFs. First, there are a few questions though that I think are important to answer. And the first question is, does it cost money to start a TD Ameritrade account through the app? And the answer is no. So it's free, which is excellent. Second question is, does it cost money to buy or sell stocks? And the answer to that is also no. And last question is, do you have to be a US citizen to buy stocks on the US stock exchange? And surprisingly, the answer is no. So if you do buy or sell stocks and make a profit or a loss, though, at least in the US, you're going to have to pay taxes or have some sort of tax ramification from that. You're going to want to check the tax codes or tax laws in your specific country for that. Or you can just buy and hold your stocks for the long run. Okay, so let's take a look at how to actually start the account and how to buy an ETF on there. Let's check it out. Alright, so let's start. Let's go to the Google Play Store. Move recorder thing. Let's go to the Google Play Store. Go to TD Ameritrade. I actually don't have it on my phone, so we can do this together. So go to the store and then get it. Open that bad boy. Accept some stuff. Alright, so now it says log in or make an account. Let's see. Okay. And yeah, so I have an account, but what you're gonna wanna do is go to open a new account. And just for retirement, so you're gonna wanna do individual right here. Okay, so these IRAs that you see right here. So these are specifically retirement accounts. I can do another video on those. That's a whole nother story. Roth IRA and traditional IRA are different, so you're just gonna do an individual. That's just stocks itself. Yeah, so it says here in this account, you can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, blah, 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 blah. Great. Standard account, one owner. It's not tax advantage, so if, like it's saying here, you are to report earnings for each tax year. If you don't get any earnings, meaning you just hold the stocks, then you don't have to report and you don't have to worry about it. So that's great. Why? Or it's great. I cannot speak English right now. That's why it's great to buy the stock, hold it for 10 years, let it go up, and then sell it once and not have to do all this intricate day trading. Okay, so here I'm obviously not going to put in my information, so you're going to want to just put in your info here. Ooh. Check all these boxes. Later you're going to have to add your bank account, and you're going to need the routing number, and by routing number I just Google it, so I can find my bank's routing number just by Googling it. And then account number, I just log into my bank's web portal, and then I choose the checking account that I pull this money from. Okay. Lastly, if you're going to want to actually go and buy an ETF, let's search for one. So you can go to this little thingy at the bottom and type what you want. You can see I looked for SPY earlier, but let's say SPY for ETF. Type it up there, pick it, and then you can see trade up at the top here. Okay, so you can see the bid is 388, the ask is 388. There's almost no spread at all, which is fantastic. And you want to buy these, you can choose the type. There's limit, market. The simplest one is just market, which means you'll buy it at the listed ask price. If the market's open, the market's open at 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time. Double check me on that. But yeah, this is a whole nother video just on the types of ETF you can buy. Easiest is market, so I usually just go market. Pick the number of shares, and then review the order at the bottom. I'm not actually going to buy $40,000 worth of these, but that's essentially how you do it. So yeah, again, it's really important to look at that bid ask right there. So SPY has a really good one. You can see the last price, you can see the percent change, And if you scroll over here, you can just see a whole bunch of different type of information. Page of SPY here, you can see a lot of important information too. Scroll around, you can see the high point, low points. Right now it's very high. Next, dividend rate, dividend per share, so how much money you get just for owning the stock for every 3-ish months. Expense ratio here, it's really affordable. So you can just look through this page. Just personally, the ones I usually look at, price, obviously. You gotta look at the price. I might look at this high to low range right here, this guy. Volume I look at too. So 58.9 million per day, so that should be one of the highest because SPY is one of the most popular and famous ETFs. Dividend and yield, again, that's great because you're just going to get paid just for holding this stock. And expense ratio. Alright, so I hope this helped. And tune in next week for more information on finance. See you around. Alright, thanks for watching, and very quickly, lastly, if you are interested in joining TD Ameritrade and using their app, they do have a referral program. So if you email me or contact me anywhere, really, I could send you a link, and you'll get a bonus, and I will get a bonus. So everybody wins. Feel free to do that. And of course, feel free to like or subscribe. I hope these videos are helpful to you, and I hope they can help you plan for your future in whatever way you see fit. I'll see you next time.